ladies, this is Nick's with Neat Techniques. So I just wanted to let you guys know that it is 5 months. It's my 5-month lock journey.
Hey, Neeks.
Yes.
Why is it always a lock journey?
It's because it starts from the beginning, from a restart, and they start your locks all the way to the end. Actually, there's not an end. It just continues. So let me continue on. There's 2 products that I added on to my locks journey. And the first product is the Island Breeze Moisture Mix, and it's from Dr. Locs. You guys can, if you could try this, you will love it. I love the mist, and let me show you the mist if you guys can see. You see that? So it just doesn't go one place. It's all over your head, and it has so many good ingredients in here. So I don't have my glasses, so let me go ahead and hand this to my husband so he can tell me what the ingredients are.
Ingredients, okay. Distilled water, coconut oil, avocado oil, what is that, argan oil, apricot oil, boy, they got all the oil, vitamin E, polysorbate, something else I can't pronounce, and blended fragrances and tea tree. Oh, we love the tea tree, Neeks. Essential oil.
And there you go. So they have another one that actually have the lemongrass. So I don't have my glasses on, so tell them what the ingredients are on that one.
Well, I didn't sign up for all this.
And tell them the whole name.
The whole name?
The whole name.
Dr. Locs, that's not ninja, Jinan moisture mix, a coconut oil mixture. And then ingredients, distilled water, coconut oil, avocado oil, argan oil, apricot oil, vitamin E, polysorbate, germabin, something else like, let's see, lemongrass oil, lavender oil, and tea tree oil. It's got all the oil in there.
Okay, maybe that's enough.
We can get you an oil change with that thing.
Let's cut it.
Oh, cut it.
Okay, so if you're allergic to lemongrass, then, you know, same thing as you guys can see how it sprays.
Yeah.
So there's something else that I added on as well. So this was recommended by my lactician. Now this is from Vigorol. It's Vigorol, and it's for curls. It's a curl mousse. Now I love this as well. I mean, my curls love this stuff. So if you shake it, it's not sticky at all. Not at all. I'm going to go ahead and put it on. It blends in very well. Very well. So I would also leave this down in the description box as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn to the side. I'm going to go ahead. I had a mirror here so I don't look.
You still got some on the top, Niche. You need to blend it. Okay, there you go.
Good, good. Okay. So here's the side, you guys. I still have some budding, as you guys can see. I love it. And then I have some lock in the back. I'm going to go ahead and turn around. Hopefully I don't knock this table over. Here's the back. Here's the back, as you guys can see. I love it. Now, I'm glad that I have as many locks that I have, but not too many. Okay, so I'm glad of that as well.
How many locks do you have, Neeks?
I have about 115.
What?
Yes, 115. So as you guys can see, it's not too many. Eventually, I'm going to be doing my hair myself. But for right now, until it...
The car went down the wrong way.
Okay. Are you done?
Yeah, less me, more you. Yeah.
Okay. So, as soon as my, I start to lock, then I will do my hair on my own. Now, I don't know if I'm going to twist or go back to interlock, but at this point, I'm going to keep letting her do it until I lock. Now, I just want to let you guys know I will leave these products down in the description box. Thank you so much. Sorry for the interruption. So I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.